Today we will learn how to find sine, cosine, and tangent ratios on a triangle. We will find side angle, and tricky side angle. Starting with the side angle, we see this triangle. To solve this, we use the law of sines and this formula. A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. We will put in the values that we know and solve them because they are all equal to each other. The side directly opposite to the angle is its sine, so it becomes 17.6. Sine B becomes 74, and sine A becomes 56. If you know two angles, then you can remember that all angles are added together equal 180 degrees. Therefore, 50 plus 74 equals 124. And 180 minus 124 equals 56. So sine C is 56. 17.6 by sine 56 will give you 21.2 using your calculator. And then you multiply that by sine 74. And that will give you 20.4. Therefore, that becomes B, the side that's the opposite to sine B. Doing the same for A, 21.2 times sine 50 gives you 16.3. And there you have it for side angle. For side angle, let's put 39 as the angle for C, 41 as B's side, and 28 as this side. You have one connected angle to another side, which is 39 to 28, and then another side left for B. Pull out the same formula again. A over sine A equals 28 over sine C equals sine B, 41 over sine B. Use the law of sines to solve sine B. So you divide sine 39 by 28 to get 0.0225, and then you multiply it by 41, and the answer to that is 0.922. Use the second sign on your calculator to turn 0.922 into 63.1. Actually 67.1. However, there can be two sets of answers to one of these side angle problems. The way you find that is putting have on a graph. So 39 goes here, and it also goes on the second triangle. Now we know that sine B is 67.1 now. But then you have to subtract it by 180. So 67.1 plus 39 equals 6.1. And then to find the sine A, the angle of that, you do 180 minus 106.1. Doing that will give you 73.9, and that is the angle of sine A. But you also define the measures of the second triangle. So the way you do that is you gotta find 180 minus 67.1, which is 112.9. And then to find the second triangle of A, you simply add these two plus 39 to get 51.9, and then you subtract the 151.9 from 180 to get 28.1. So now you have the angles completed. You gotta complete the sides. So we already know 39, 41, because we already have them up here, 41 and 28. So now we gotta find A. 39 over 41. Here we find that this equals 0.0153. And then over that, sine 73.9. Divide that using the calculator again, you get 62.6. And then to find the other one, you pretty much do the same thing, except instead of sine 73.9, you do 28.1. So 0.0153 under 28.1. Using the calculator, we find that this equals 30.8. So, we've learned how to complete side angle angles and how to do two potential triangles. We've learned the law of sines and we performed them. I hope that this video will be a sign that math doesn't have to be super difficult.